Hello, boys and girls. So our meetings kind of ran into each other today. So I didn't have a chance to end the meeting after each one. So it was going to be like an hour and a half long video, and that's crazy. So I wanted to make a new video for you for math in case you need to pause or rewatch or anything like that. So here's our properties of addition. These are what we went over in our Zoom meetings today. So if you missed our Zoom meeting, make sure you watch this video at least once, maybe twice or three times, so that you can understand what we went over together. So our goal today, we can show the properties of addition in multiple ways. The commutative property, we can add numbers together in any order and we'll still get the same sum. If I have 3 cookies and I add 4 more, I'm going to have 7 altogether. But if I start with 4 cookies and add 3 more, I'll still have 7, right? So either way, whichever order they're in, I'm still going to end up with 7 cookies. The important thing is that this equal sign, both sides need to have the same value. They need to be the same amount. The identity property says that the sum of any number plus 0 will be the same number. So if I have 7 pencils and I add 0 more, guess what? I'm still only going to have 7. Even if I have 10 and add 0 more, I'll still have 10. If I have 1,892 pencils and I add 0 more, I will still have 1,892 pencils. The identity property, it keeps its identity. That means it stays the same number. The associative or the grouping property, you can group numbers in any order and they will still have the same sum. So for example, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now, anytime you see these parentheses, what they're called, they're grouping these numbers together. They're saying, hey, do this part first, right? So if you see these parentheses, you already know it's the grouping property. It's grouping numbers together. So it wants you to add 1 plus 2 first. And I know 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 3 more will get me 6. But what if I added 1 plus 3 first? How many would I have? I would have 4. And then if I added 2 more on top of that, I would still have 6. So no matter what order I add these in, I'm still going to have the same sum, the same number. Here's some examples we did together, and I showed you what property they were. Now, if you need to write the rest of these down in your notebook, so that way you have it for our tests later and for your assignment, go ahead and pause this video really quick and write this down. This is really important that you guys have it. So press pause real quick, and I'll still be here when you come back. So once you have all of this written down, here's some examples we went over together. 519 plus a number was going to be 519. Since these are the same number, I know that I'm not adding anything. I'm adding 0. That's called the identity property. I had 4 plus 2 plus 3 equals 4 plus a number, right? So if I have 4 on this side and 4 on this side, 2 plus 3 here, but only 1 blank here, what is 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3 is the same as 5. It's the grouping property. It groups 2 plus 3 together so that you would do that first, but they still have the same value. 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 plus 4 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. It's the same. 3 plus 8 equals a number plus 3, the commutative property. 3 plus 8. I know the answer is 11, but if I put 11 here, 11 plus 3 would be 14. It wouldn't be balanced. They wouldn't be the same. I need to have the same. So since I have a 3 here and a 3 here, and 8 here, needed an 8 right here. So they would be the same. If you need to rewatch this video, please do so. And then I want you to do the practice worksheet that is on Seesaw and the Daily Common Core Review. The Daily Common Core Review might have some questions that you're not quite sure about, and that's okay. I just want you to do the best you can and show your work. If you still have questions after this video, make sure that you send me a voice memo on your assignments, like in the comments, or you can message me on Seesaw. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.